In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to set up and install a wireless printer on your Toshiba laptop, tablet, or desktop computer. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all I have to do is open up the search menu and type in settings. Best results, come back with settings. Go ahead and open that up. Select Bluetooth and devices on the left panel. And then on the right side, select where it says printers and scanners. And then where it says add a printer or scanner at the top, select add device. Give that a moment. Make sure your printer is connected to your Wi-Fi as well as powered on. If it does not work, you may need to go on to the printer manufacturer's website and get the files directly from them. You can do a simple Google search, and most printer manufacturers should have set up files that will pretty much take care of all of this for you automatically. So, like I said, pretty straightforward process, guys. And as always, thank you for watching. I do hope that was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.